Howdy folks, Rose is here. I thought I'd start a series of videos to try to explain some of them their confusing everyday items so you know how to use them. If you got something that you don't understand, leave me a comment down there and I'll see if I can explain it to you. We're going to start with this, the butter dish.
I like my butter cold, but to carry it from the refrigerator to the table with my bare hands is just unacceptable.
I like to leave my butter out on the counter so that it's warm when I use it, but then it gets so messy. What can I do?
The history of the butter dish goes way back to shortly after butter was invented. There have been some different models and different shapes of butter dishes over the ages, and some of them even had ways to keep the butter cold. But we don't need that nowadays because if we want cold butter, we've got this thing called a refrigerator. So the butter dish has two basic parts. Let's look at them and see how they work. This part is called the base, or the dish. Its purpose is to provide a stable surface to hold the butter so that you can easily use your knife to get a slice of that sweet, sweet butter to put on your bread or your potatoes, or whatever else you're putting your butter on. You know, I'm thinking about it, and we put butter on potatoes, like baked potatoes. And we put butter on potatoes when they're like mashed potatoes. Why don't we put butter on French fries? Those are potatoes. Anyway, generally speaking, butter dishes are designed to have the butter sticking up so you don't have to dig for it. If your slice of butter falls over, you don't have to dig for it, right? No, it'll just lay there and you just pick it up with your knife and move on to your bread, your potato, or your French fries. This is called the lid. If it looks like a boat to you, you're holding it upside down. This is used to cover the butter on the dish, like so. Covering your butter will keep bugs, mice, and small children out of the butter. It will also keep your fingers out of the butter if you are using it to move it from the refrigerator to your table. I hope that clears up things for you. Now that you know how to use a butter dish, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment on other things you'd like me to explain.